How do I avoid going to probate court? A lot of people run from the idea of going to court, but more importantly, they run from the idea of going to probate court. Well, what is probate court? Probate court is a court tailored to a couple of things. One of them might be guardianship. You're getting guardianship over a parent, someone that may have a disability, or you're going to probate court because mom or dad or aunt passed away and they have real estate, they have bank accounts in their names, and someone needs to administer this stuff, these assets. What do we do with the house? How do we get the house in our name? How do we sell the house? Is selling an option? What do we need to do? Well, this is the purpose of probate court. But listen, probate court isn't always the best method, and a lot of people don't like to go because there's all these rules and regulations. And now the court has to get involved because, for example, mom had a will, and anything that has a will requires you to go to probate court. Dun, 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 dun. So despite having all this stuff written down of what you want before you pass away or how to help your beneficiary on the back end, when you have a will, you got to go to probate court. Kind of deceives the purpose because now the judge can hire someone called like a guardian ad litem, and their job is to get paid by the hour to help administer things in the estate of mom, such as how to sell the home. You might need a court order to sell that home. The judge might want to look at the purchase agreement. The judge might want to make sure that this is a fair sale of the property. And in order to do so, the judge might hire a guardian ad litem. So now, portion of the sale proceeds go to the guardian ad litem just to sell mom's home. Keep that in mind when you're looking at doing a will. What does it actually mean? It means that the court must come in. If mom did not have a will, you still got to go to probate court. So what's the purpose of the will if you have to go to probate court if there's no will, and you got to go to probate court if there is no will? The alternative is a trust, but the trust has to be done correctly in order for you not to go to probate court. And that's the thing. A trust is not just a document. It must be funded. It must have assets inside of it, which means things need to be named and titled into the name of the trust so that you don't go to probate court.